Poetical Gems presents Just as Nature Intended. A falling leaf from a tree is just as nature intended. Soon new shoots, buds to leaves. It's a repeat cycle, the tree is never offended. It stands firmly rooted, exposed and bare, awaiting to be given sustenance to regrow. Spring season brings in sunshine and rainy moments. Likewise, Ramadan is our shortcoming shedding season. Our tears and seeking forgiveness are our leaf shedding moments. We are never stripped bare, instead given a chance to cleanse, purify, reset and repair. So why do life's challenges make us crumble? The storms are there to redirect us. Roadblocks, potholes and dead ends, they are created to reshape us. Our life is like an in full blossom tree. Our good deeds distract, delight us. But remember, unfortunately, any fruit-bearing tree is outweighed with an abundance of leaves. Don't lose sight of your shortcomings as you look to the flowering tree. Nature is there to simply teach us. Let's learn to shed our sins like the falling leaves. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.